Assalamu alaikum students. Last time we did exercise 12.2 question number 1 only, and I have given homework which you have completed. Now we will do number 2, subtract the following. So let's see how we will do this. Question number 2a, a of 2, subtract. We have to subtract this expression from this, means we have to write first this expression and then subtract this expression. I have written this expression here. We will keep this in bracket, and then we have to subtract this expression from this. So we will write this expression first and then subtract this expression. Another bracket. Now what we will do? We have to subtract. So open the bracket. 6xy plus 9yz minus 7xz plus 17. Now this is minus, it will get multiplied with this. So plus minus minus, minus 8xy. When bracket will open, minus will come. Plus minus minus 8xy minus minus plus 5yz minus plus minus 3xz. Now simply we will do add and subtract like we did in previous sums. In number 1, 6xy, we will find another xy like terms. 6xy and here xy. 6xy minus 8xy minus, remember, minus 2xy. yz 9yz plus 5yz, then it will get add. Plus 9yz plus 5yz, then it will get add. Plus 14yz minus 7xz minus 3xz minus 10xz plus 17. This is the answer. So it's very simple, very easy. You just have to subtract the expressions. Now next we'll see question number 2b is very similar. So this will be your homework. Next sums is I will do number C. So it is also very similar. We have to subtract this expression from this one. So first we will write this expression in bracket, then minus this expression in bracket. Then we will open the bracket and then solve just like this. First we will write this expression. 19 minus 3x minus 15y plus 7xy minus 2xy square plus 3x square y. Only the expression is very big. Minus, subtract, we have to subtract from this to this. Minus 6x square y minus 6x square y minus 4xy plus 7xy square minus 8x plus 9y minus 11. Now last time many students complained that we are unable to see the picture clearly in the video. That's why I am repeating the numbers and the letters which I am writing so that you can understand it. Now we will open the bracket. 19 minus 3x minus, since here is plus, so no sign, there will be no sign change, minus 15y plus y plus 7xy minus 2xy square plus 3x square y. Now this minus will get multiplied with the sign inside the bracket. So plus minus minus, minus 6x square y minus minus plus, so plus minus minus plus 4xy minus plus minus 7xy square minus minus plus 8x minus plus minus 9y minus minus plus 11. Now simply we will have to solve this, add and subtract and make it short. Like we will add or subtract the like terms. So here 19 plus 11. There is no other constant. So 19 plus 11, 30. Sorry. Minus 3x. This is done. Minus 3x plus 8x. So minus 3x plus 8x plus 5x. Minus 15y. Is there any minus 9y? Minus 15y minus 9y minus 24y. 7xy 4xy plus 4xy. So it will be plus 11xy. Minus 2xy square minus 7xy square. So like term is not x square y. So if it is xy square, so there should be xy square. Then only we will add or subtract. Minus 7xy square. So like term is not x square y. So if it is xy square, so there should be xy square. Then only we will add or subtract. So minus 2xy square minus 7xy square. So this will get add, minus sign will be minus 9x y square plus 3x square y minus 6x square y. So it will get subtracted, minus 3x square y. This is our answer. I hope this is clear. So similarly we have to do all the rest of the sums. So in homework you will have to do 2b. C I have done. You have to do 2d, 2e and f only. E, f. This will be your homework. You just have to subtract the two expressions. We have done till subtraction. Now we will do question number 3. In question number 3, the question is the perimeter of a triangle is this. So the perimeter of the triangle is given. If the two sides of the triangle are this and this, so the two sides of the triangle are given. Find the third side. So we have to find the third side. The information given in the question is the perimeter of the triangle and the two sides. So we have to find the third side. Now, so let us assume that the third side is x. So how we will solve? Let's see. So let the third side of the triangle be x unit. Now, according to problem, we know that perimeter of a triangle, we know the formula of the perimeter of triangle is sum of the sides. Sum of the sides. So what would be the perimeter of the sum of the sides? So we will write the sum of the sides. So the sum of the sides are, first we will third side is x unit. So first two are these two expression, this one and this one. So we have written the three sides. First side, second side and third side is x unit, as we have assumed x. So third side, it will be equal to perimeter of the triangle, which is perimeter of the triangle is 14a minus 3b plus 2c. So we will write here 14a. So now here we have got an equation. We will solve it and find the value of x. Here are other variables like a, b, c. So we don't have to find the value of a, b and c. You have to understand that in equation which is your variable and in which form you have to answer. So here you don't have to find the value of a, b, c. You have to find the value of x, which we have let the third side of the triangle. So we will find the value of x in terms of a, b, c. So we will find we will solve it. How we will solve it? Like x will be in one side and the rest goes other side of the equals to. So x will be here and equals to, when we will transform this to other side of the equals to, we will add a minus sign. So here already a given expression is given be here and equals to, when we will transform this to other side of the equals to, we will add a minus sign. So here already a given expression is given, so we will write the expression, and then when this expression will come other side of the equals to, the sign will get changed. So here it is plus, here when it will come it will get minus. So minus 4a plus 6 will be minus 8c, and here is also plus. So when this will come to the other side of the equals to, it will get into change into minus. So like this we have to write. Now what will we do? We will open the bracket and solve it just like we did in add and subtract. You will open this bracket and this minus will get multiplied with the other signs, and this minus will also get multiplied with the other signs. So now we have opened the bracket of this and this. Now minus 4a plus minus minus, so minus 6b minus plus 8c, and then minus plus minus minus 3a minus plus 5b minus 11c. Now we just have to add and subtract just like we did in previous sums. So here 14a minus 4a 10a minus 3a, 14a minus 4a 10a minus 3a 7a, so x will be 7a. Then b minus 3b minus 6b minus 9b plus 5b equals to minus 4b. So here it is minus 4b, and then 12c plus 8c, 20c minus 11c plus 9c. So here plus 9c. So we have found the answer of x. Therefore the third side is 7a minus 4b plus 9c. This is the answer.